Good evening, beautiful people. As you know, I love to do meditation in the evening. This is when I do my scripting and do my alone time meditation after I've done meditation with Rizzy. I like to do it alone and just get into my different instruments and y'all hear that? I love sound. I love music. I am a sound therapy healing practitioner. And so, what I'm doing on this channel is sharing more of how I utilize sound. And one of my favorites is the crystal singing bowls. These bowls have different tones slash notes, and they are uh, notes that coincide with each chakra in regards to the way it resonates with the person when they feel it, when they hear it. And each note literally means something different. So I told you guys I was going to go in depth with you on this channel about the different chakras. Now we know that there's 7. Most people know about the 7 chakras. Some people don't even know about the 7, but there's actually 12 chakras, and they go from 7 up, continuing up to 8, 9. It skips 10, and then it's 11, 12, and then the 10th one is underneath your root chakra, which is this bow here that I'm about to play. This is the root chakra. This is the I am bow. I am meaning the beginning, before you became who you are today because of experiences and stuff. This is the I am bow. This is a note C, and this mimics the earth. That is the element for the root chakra, the earth. And the color is red, and the gland that this is associated with is the adrenal gland, okay? Now, when your root chakra is in balance, you will feel, as far as like emotions and what's going on with you, the feelings that you will have with the root chakra when it's in balance is more so of you're gonna feel like negativity. You're gonna feel negativity, cynicism, like eating disorders, just feeling really insecure about yourself when you are imbalanced in the root chakra. So when you feel those things, that means your root chakra is imbalanced. That's the I am. That's who you are. That's the beginning of you, right? And so this particular chakra is connected to your grounding and security. And as I stated before, it's I am. And the sound for the I am when meditating, and I told you guys you will hear people meditate and they'll say lum, rum. This particular crown chakra is the lam, Lam. Everybody pronounces it different, but it's more of a lum. And you want that to resonate within, and you want to feel the vibration. And as you do that and continue to do that, it aligns you and starts to give you a power that ignites those imbalances to become more balanced, which is a part of why meditation is so important. And I'm just so thankful to be able to teach this to people. So this particular bowl is the crown chakra, as I said, the crown chakra element bowl. And I'm going to play it for you so you can hear how it sounds. So we're going to play it by going around it. Oops, sorry guys. just the way it vibrates, like you can feel it vibrating through the floor. It is just amazing feeling. It helps to ground you when your energy is very low and you're low vibing in regards to emotions, feelings, or anything that may have occurred that day. These bowls are amazing. So we're going to play it one more time. My princess came to join me. She getting ready to get her little area situated. I'll probably do another video of us playing something else. Chakra bowls. She's playing the heart now. Do y'all hear how that is just continuing to just continue to sound? She is playing the solar plex. Gotta get the right mallet. Let me see. Let me see. I love how high this is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That was the root chakra. I was going to say crown again. Root chakra. And if you have any questions about that chakra, or you want me to maybe give you more information, I'll try to remember when I edit the video to put all the information below. But I'm going to just recap. The color of this chakra is the red. The sound is lam. The element is earth. The gland is adrenal. The key word is I am. and it is grounding and security. If you are imbalanced, you're insecure, as I stated earlier, you're insecure, cynicism, eating disorders, greed, and insecurity. So those are the things that an imbalanced chakra has. But also a balanced chakra has, you're grounded, you're loyal, and you have basically, what is it? Why is this not coming on? Courage and stability. Grounded, loyalty, courage, and stability is what you have. So, all right, guys, I shall talk to you later. Remember, you're the most important person in your life, and stick to your script because you are the best at it.